What should your boiler flow temperature be for central heating? This setting affects comfort and efficiency. It's the temperature of water leaving your boiler and travelling around your radiators, not room temperature. For many modern condensing Boilers2Go start central heating at around 60 degrees Celsius. A lower flow temperature can improve efficiency by recovering more heat from the flue gases, but the lowest setting is not always best. Your home still needs to warm properly on colder days. If rooms heat comfortably, lower the temperature gradually and let the system respond before changing it again. A higher setting may be needed if the property is difficult to heat or the weather is particularly cold. First, check the boiler, radiators and heating controls are all working and set up properly. If anything looks unusual, stop and ask a qualified heating engineer before making changes yourself, especially if you feel unsure. If you're unsure, ask a qualified heating engineer to check the system rather than guessing. Start around 60 degrees, adjust for comfort, and subscribe or follow Boilers2Go for more heating tips.